Starting off this Monday morning with another fresh build from Danco. This is a Ram 5500 Cummins turbo diesel rollback. We have multiples of these in stock currently. Danco is one of the manufacturers that we actually do builds with new. A lot of people are more familiar with the Jordan and the Miller Industries builds and Centuries, stuff like that, but Danco's been at this a long time. We've had very good luck with their product. They're not too far away, out of Pennsylvania. A few nice features. They do an overload spring on the back of the truck. Most every one of them, unless we request differently, come with the alloy wheels. Steel beds coming in 20-foot length. Most of them are 19.5 in this size truck, but this is a 20. They also come in 96-inch and 102 wide. They will do diamond plate or they will do the smooth finish. The smooth finish, a lot of the tow guys for accident and wreck vehicles prefer, just because of the fact that it's easier to slide a vehicle off, but they are a little more tricky on a wet day. Wheel lift, ball mount. The L-arms are blocked in so they cannot be stolen. You might think that's funny, but that does actually happen. They do get stolen. Really nice adjustable L-arms. Tighten and lock right there. Rear work lights for the back end. Work lights right there as well. Left and right side controls. LED lights on everything else. Left and right side boxes. Has a little arrow right here which lines up with the mud flap. That arrow also aligns right here to tell you that the bed's back far enough for when you do your tilt, for less wear and tear on the hydraulics. These trucks can be built with the gas motor as well, but we typically do them with the diesel. SLT interior. 12,000 pound deck rating. Cloth interior. The larger screen. Push button PTO. Automatic idle advance. We'll go ahead and run the bed back so y'all can see the operation. Very smooth operation. And a very clean build, as you see. Structural integrity across the frame is nice. Underside of the bed, everything is appointed really cleanly. Has a little trough right there to keep it, if it does fall down, keep the wear and tear down. Also good for storage. Very clean routing of all the hydraulics. Just a quick, easy, functional very, very nice builds. If we don't have what you're looking for in stock, we can absolutely get one put together for you on our list of builds. Right now we have this along with 3 other Danco builds in stock, and then of course we do have some Jordan and Miller product also. One very, very clean combination. Give us a call or jump on the website. Happy to assist.